Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the Realme Pad device. Is it worth to buy for about 11,000 rupees or not? Yes friends, right now during this Flipkart Black Friday sale, there are offers going on the Realme Pad device, starting with the base variant. So starting with the base variant, which starts about close to 13,999 rupees, and the highest variant is of 17,999 rupees. The overall price did not decrease, but by using the bank discount, you can actually get a further discount of the price. So first let's start with the basic variant, which is 3GB and 32GB variant, which is the Wi-Fi model, and right now you can actually get for about 11,749 rupees, as you can clearly see friends. So 1,000 rupees you are getting instant discount using on any other credit and debit card, but if you have the ICICI credit card, then you can actually get 1,250 additional discount. So this will come down to the price of close to 11,749 rupees. So for this price, let me be clear. Few things are really great in this device. For example, the display, performance, processor, and the loudspeakers, which is fantastic. The main reason why I did mention display is because there are very few tablets which will be available for this kind of 10.4-inch display size. I do know it's not AMOLED panel, it's not that's great in terms of watching, but one quick note, I did like this display mainly because of supporting the high HD standards in the Prime. Right now, as you can see friends, streaming quality, it's the highest value in the Realme Pad device. Yes, you can actually get the HD support as well in the Amazon Prime. So right now, few other tablets, they are actually available, but they don't support the Amazon Prime HD. So right now I would like to watch most of the time spending in the Amazon Prime TV shows. That's the reason friends, my preference is kind of Amazon Prime most of the time. For me, it's kind of really great using this Realme Pad device. And with the display, yes, it feels a little bit kind of dull, but still for this price, it's definitely kind of okay, I would say. And next fantastic thing is about the speaker. Right now I'm trying to play the audio from the tablet. Now you will be able to experience the audio as well, audio and the video, with the 4 speakers. As you can see friends, how much loud the audio is. It's fantastic. So overall, the display and the audio quality and quad speaker setup. So most of the time we'll be getting only dual speaker setup. Stereo speakers we'll be getting in a few of the tablets, but this Realme Pad has got quad speaker setup. That's another fantastic thing. You should not take it for granted. Not only that, apart from that, it did have the 7,000 mAh of battery capacity as well. So definitely you can actually get a screen on time up to close to 9 hours, 10 hours as well. Continuously browsing, that's kind of possible. Non-stop Zoom calls, I did get about close to using with the Wi-Fi connection around 7 to 8 hours of time non-stop with the Zoom calls. I did do the testing as well. So using the 4G data connection, if you choose the 4G connection, maybe the battery life decreases, but still that's fantastic battery life as well. So no issues, much complaints. And there's expandable memory slot as well. Not only that, which comes with a stock UI experience. Yes friends, stock UI, even though it's the name of Realme, but we do have the stock UI experience in this device. That's fantastic. If you go to the settings option as well, you'll be able to see exactly stock UI notification panel, and the settings also stock UI, as you can see. I wish the Realme phones could have been come this kind of option as well. That could be really good deal. But overall, for this kind of price, it's really great. If you ask me 4GB or maybe 3GB, which RAM variant would be better? In case if you're planning to use the tablet as for maybe 2 years of time, maybe for next 2 years, or maybe for long time, maybe in a day, if you're trying to use its tablets most of the time, then try to choose the 4GB RAM variant. So if you're choosing the tablet only for online classes, only for watching videos, then don't go for the 4GB. It doesn't make any kind of much sense at all. And still you can save a lot of money as well, because for the base variant 11,749 and the high variant which comes close to 15,749. So overall there's a difference of close to 4,000 rupees difference is there. For 4,000 rupees you're getting 4G connection, and 4GB RAM you're getting, and 64GB you're getting. So everything is in the 4. For 4,000 you're getting 4G, 64GB and 4GB. In case if you want to have that kind of future proof and slightly kind of heavy usage, then go for the 4GB RAM. Otherwise it doesn't make much kind of sense to go for the normal usage. But if you have the budget, also go for the high storage and high RAM always, if you have the budget. If you're short in the budget, this is a perfect. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick review on the Realme Pad device. This is a short video which I'm just demonstrating. I'll try to come back with a full review as well. And right now, these are the price details about the Realme Pad device which you can actually buy in the Flipkart website during this Black Friday sales. I thought there could have been a little kind of more offers, but unfortunately, we did not get much offers at this moment as well. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.